Hello viewers, today, we will show you how to process a stock issue using SQL accounting software. A stock issue is an entry to update outgoing stock as quantity out. It is commonly used to document sample products given to customers, stock issued for internal use, or items issued for display purposes. Here is a scenario. If you send your customer 5 sample tables, you can record them using stock issue to update your inventory. Let's begin. First, enter the description. We are going to key in sample product to customer as an example. Next, change the date if necessary and select an agent. After that, add the items to be issued. You may also enter the reason, remark, and authorized by for future reference. To update the unit cost, click the Update Cost button. The system will use the selected Update Cost method to retrieve the unit cost for each item. The first method is use ref cost when quantity less than or equal to 0, which is the default setting. This method will update the unit cost using the reference cost from maintained stock item if the quantity balance falls below 0. The second method is called use strict costing. This method will calculate the unit cost from the costing method set in maintained stock group. The third method is use serial number costing, where the unit cost will be based on the serial number. Finally, review the details to ensure everything is accurate, and click Save. And that's it. We've successfully completed a stock issue. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos. Follow us on Facebook to stay updated. Visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.